This summer ends very soon. Why not we just grab the tail of summer to make a fantastic appetizer to enjoy? Have you ever tried jellyfish before? The refreshing taste of cucumbers, the potato noodles with chewy texture, and the smooth, creamy sesame sauce mix. All of this can be found in the supermarket. Very easy to find. Let's get started. I'll use the packaged jellyfish this time. It's because this type of jellyfish is very convenient to handle. Cut the package, remove the water from it. Wash the jellyfish thoroughly by tap water. This can remove the unpleasant smell and taste from the packaged water. Prepare a pot of hot water at the same time. It needs not to be boiling. Around 50 to 60 degrees Celsius is good enough. I will turn off the heat. Just let jellyfish touch the hot water for a few seconds. Make sure the jellyfish not soaking in it more than 10 seconds. It will overcook the jellyfish if the water is too hot. Jellyfish will shrink and too chewy to eat. Therefore, to avoid this, soak the jellyfish in the ice water in no time. When it's completely cooled down, drain well, then we can start seasoning. We need 4 tablespoons sesame paste or peanut butter, 3 tablespoons dark white apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons light soy sauce, 2 or 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 or 3 tablespoons of water. Mix well and add into the jellyfish. And a pinch of salt for seasoning. Now, bring the water to a boil to cook the noodles. Cook it to 3 or 4 minutes according to what noodles you're choosing. Slice the cucumber. And it is all done. A very easy and fast dish, full of refreshness, crunchy with delicious creamy sauce. I show you how to deal with the packaged jellyfish this time, but next time it will be more challenging. I'll show you how to deal with those semi-dried jellyfish marinated in heavy salt and dried alum, and the correct way to cook it. Please stay tuned.
Something to believe.